Acorns. We're in my kitchen, and I thought I would make a healthy snack. The yogurt thing still has not worked out, so maybe if I ever get yogurt, we can have a fruit parfait. But right now, I thought that a healthy snack would be an apple and some sun butter. We used to have this at school all the time for snack, but what you probably didn't know was that I really like to eat sun butter and an apple. So I'm going to cut the apple. And your parents probably need to help you with this because you can't work with a knife yet. You're too little. The peel is probably the healthiest part of the apple, so you should probably try it. Not just throw it away or ask your mom to peel it for you, or your dad for that matter. The peel is healthy for you. It's good for your belly. I know you've heard me say this before. Ooh, there's a little brown spot on my apple. I think I'm going to cut that off. But I think you'll enjoy this snack. Another brown spot. Oh, geez. That's what happens when you don't pick out your own fruit. Okay. There's that. And then now let me see. The sun butter needs to be stirred. For some reason, sun butter oil is always at the top. This isn't so bad. All right. I'm going to get a scoop out. And then I'm going to use my apple to get the rest of it off the spoon. And then now I'm going to enjoy a snack. All right, next, I think we should go check on the bird feeder. You want to go do that? Okay, let's do it. All right, Acorns, I'm walking out to the bird feeder. And look, there's my dog. Look, there she is. She beat me out there. There's the bird feeder. And I know we filled it on Friday. And today is actually Monday. So that was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Did you count the days? So there's the bird feeder. And it's been 4 days. So it looks to me like it's going to take more than 6 days for them to eat all the bird seed, which is a good thing because I don't think I have any more. So I hopefully we will get my bird seed in before we run out. So now we're going to head inside and do some mindfulness yoga with Miss Jill. That is part of the lesson plan today. So next time you'll see me, I'll be on the floor trying to do some yoga. Let's go do it. Hi, Acorns. Now I have the mindfulness video hooked up, and I am going to participate in the mindfulness that Miss Jill has ready for us. And I think we're going to start in child's pose, but let's see what happens. So let's get started. We're just going to go through like a 5-minute, little like calm down series because I think things are a little crazy right now. So I wanted to make sure that I was giving you guys everything that I had. And yeah, here we go. Let's do some breathing and relaxing. We're going to breathe. So we're going to start out. Katie's helping me. So your knees are going to come out wide. And your toes will touch in the back. And your hips sink towards your heels as far as they can. And your forehead should be resting in the mat. You can rest your forearms or you can leave them hovering. However, active or passive, you really want to make this pose. And we'll just take 3 to 5
breaths in through your nose, out through your mouth.
Okay, I took 3 breaths. Are you still doing it? I hope so. I think it's good for you to learn how to breathe and calm your body down. I am going to stop videotaping myself because you can already see Miss Jill breathe. You don't need to see me breathe too. All right, I will see you on Friday, Acorns.